Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In last video we learned about living and non-living things. Now our today's topic is plant life. So let's start. Look at these pictures. You can see the three different types of plants. Some are in different shapes and size. Some plants are big, some plants are small. So we can say there are variety of plant in the world. See these pictures carefully. Ashoka tree, banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. These all trees are very big. Look again these pictures. Which are they? Yes, coconut tree, gulmohar tree. One common thing in all the pictures, that is all plants are very big and strong. So all the big and strong plants we call them trees. Now we will learn about plants which are small. See these plants. Children, which are they? Yes, rose plant, sunflower plant and cotton plant. These plants are small plants. They grow to a small height and their stems are not very strong. These small plants are called shrubs. Now see these new pictures. First picture is plant of mint. Second one is plant of basil. You can see these plants are very small and weak. So these small and weak plants are called herbs. Look at new picture. Which are they? First one is a grapevine and second one is money plant. These plants do not grow as the other plants. Do you know why? It is because these plants are weak. They cannot grow straight on their own. So that's why they need support to grow. These plants climb up taking the support of wall or other plants or sticks. These plants are called climbers. See this picture. This is the plant of pumpkin and watermelon. Children, you are observe one thing in this picture. Both plants grow along the ground. So which plant grows along the ground? It is called a creepers. Children, now let us learn about parts of plants. Observe this diagram carefully. In this you can see parts of plants. Which are they? Leaf, fruit, flower, stem, root. Flower. Flower is the beautiful part that gives seed or fruit. Leaf. Leaf makes food for the plant. Stem. Stem carries food and water to all parts of plants. Root. Root gives support and takes water and nutrients from soil. Students, most plants grow from seeds and some plants grow from a stem cutting. There are different kinds of seed. For example, gram, bean, pea, corn are seeds. A seed has a baby plant inside it. Students, as human beings, we need air, food, water and shelter to live. Like this, plants also have their basic needs to grow. Plants need sunlight, air and water to grow. It is also need soil from which the roots take nutrients. Most of our foods come from plants. We eat almost all the parts of plants. For example, see this picture. Carrot, radish, beetroot are the root of plant. Cabbage, lettuce and spinach are leaves of a plant and we eat that. Potato, ginger and sugarcane are stem of plant. We eat that. Broccoli and cauliflower are the flower of plant. We use that for eating purpose. Apple, grapes, orange, mango, banana, cherries are the fruits. That fruits gives us vitamins. Wheat, rice, maize, barley are some of the cereals that we eat. We get the coffee, tea and sugar also from plants. We get coffee from coffee seeds. We get sugar from sugar cane. We get tea from tea leaves. So students, we learn all about plant today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.